What's going on, everyone? So for today's video, I'm just going to give you guys an update about the Dendoff Springs that I installed about almost 10 months ago. So we're going to check out to see how much it actually settled down after quite some time. And also, since the install, I actually added a rooftop tent, as you can see, and it weighs about 150 pounds. So I think right now it is actually the true height of the vehicle, since it's already settled down. So we're gonna measure it again from the ground all the way up to the bottom of the rear fender. So if I can remember, after the install to Dendoff Springs, we are sitting at 35 inches. So today we're actually gonna remeasure it again and kind of compare it from the last video to see how much it actually settled down. So right now it is measuring out at 33 and a half. So from 35, now we are down to 33 and a half. So it lost about an inch and a half from the last video. So it definitely settled down. All right, so there you guys have it. From 35 inches, now we are sitting down at 33 and a half. So I'm still happy about it. You know, it's still helping with all the load that I have with my RAV. So see you guys next time.